Finally, we meet again. It's been a while, but it's time to get this show cracking again with a new certification readiness training called AI 102, Design and Implement an Azure AI Solution. This is the big buzz lately, and I know there's a lot of training out there, but hopefully I do something a little bit different like I've done at Microsoft Ready and Ignite to try to give you more stuff with less fluff. So the goal is an intent that you've done your preparation and work already, but I'm just trying to tip you over 3 to 5 more questions. So if you just do this slide deck and presentation alone, it's really not enough. You got to do your homework. So you see in the bottom here, and I'll put these links in the channel notes. I've actually taken all the notes I use to create this content and put it out there on my blog. So if this isn't enough, you have all the resources which I used. They're not all 100%, but I think they're all pretty darn close to what is needed and required. In addition to that, here are some other quick links that are very important to know. We're not going to get into the whole how do you get certified, what about all that, but there is an AI engineer career path. You'll want to check that out. Again, I'll include that. Another study guide for exam AI 102, in addition to the one that I've created. The course syllabus, which is a course which this is all based upon. So you want to make sure you check that out. And then finally, the practice assessment tests. They're pretty darn good now out there on Microsoft Learn. You really don't need to spend anything. What a lot of people I know will do, it's not the way to learn it optimally, but they'll go through the exams and keep doing them over and over and over again until you get over 90%. I would say take it the next step, read why the answers are wrong, and study those links. But again, that's going to lead you back to most of the links that I created as well. So here's a look at my certification preparation page. So I tell you a little bit what I just did. There's my shortcut to the channel, aka.ms/azure/cert, all the breakdown. And you see what I did is I've gone through each and every one of these links and done the hard work for you of trying to find the best page possible. So stay tuned for more as I continue this. And over the next couple of weeks, we'll see the rest of the content. It's already created. It's just taking that time to get it out there. It reminds me of marathon training. And someone once told me the hardest step is the first one out the door. It's the same thing with doing these YouTube channels. Hope this will be helpful. You got to start with these resources. More coming soon.